Our project Music Spectrometer is based on digital signal processing. We are converting analog audio to digital PCM audio to take its fast Fourier transform and then display the dominant frequency corresponding to the maximum amplitude on the 5 LED bulbs. And we have used the following components: the FPGA LiMAS V2 Spartan 6 module and an AC97 controller audio codec in our project.
Okay, so we are taking that audio input from a laptop via the line in pin to the AC97, which is having LM4550 controller in it. What we are doing is that we are utilizing the inbuilt ADCs, DACs and filters. First, we are utilizing the inbuilt ADCs and filter to convert the analog audio input to the filtered digital PCM audio output from the AC97 controller. And secondly, we are using the controller commands to open the ADC DAC link for the loopback realization of the audio input.
Now this sampled, quantized and filtered signal from the codec is input to the FPGA board. Over the FPGA board we are implementing our FFT algorithm to convert our time domain signal to frequency domain for further processing. In the frequency domain, we have used Puli2K algorithm for implementing our FFT because Puli2K is faster than other algorithms. It has complexity of n log n while other normal algorithms are of n square.
Each digital sample is divided into 1024 points and the corresponding 1024 points are obtained in the frequency spectrum by taking fast Fourier transform. Thus we have converted the time domain analysis into frequency domain analysis. For each point out of 1024 points, we will obtain a real part and its imaginary part, and we can calculate its magnitude by obtaining root a square plus b square, and then we are calculating the frequency at which that magnitude will be maximum, and then we are displaying that frequency in the 5-bit binary number. We have also implemented that 5-bit binary number frequency on the 5 LED bulbs in our section.
Besides creating a nice atmosphere, it would also be used as an equalizer in concert shows. Its future application is in stammering problem and lie detection. People while stammering misses a particular type of frequency which could be traced by comparing the frequency plot of a normal person and a concerned person, and thus could make a device for the same. Lie detection: some infrasonic waves are produced due to trembling of voice and nervous behavior which could be detected by the frequency plot. That's all, and thank you.